Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to work on my mom's Subaru Forester. This needs, of course, rear wheel bearings. The one is making a lot of noise, so we're going to change the pair. And, well, I'm a little afraid because I've heard the horror stories of changing in East Coast Subaru's rear wheel bearings and people fighting forever to get them loose. There's its stablemate. We will not be working on that today. This is going to be the savior. This is going to help loosen the rear wheel bearing, hopefully. We'll find out. This is called a bearing buster. And you bolt this onto the wheel hub and beat the snot out of it to get the old wheel hub out. Let's see how it's going to work. So we're going to go ahead and start by simple stuff. Car's jacked up, and we're going to go ahead and take the wheels off. Let's go ahead and get the brake caliper and carrier off now. So we'll get this rotor off, and then we'll see what we're dealing with. I ended up taking the parking brake off. I found out with the other side that you didn't need to. So we'll start taking the 4 bolts holding the wheel hub on. That's where it gets stuck. The wheel hub into the knuckle. It just fuses, I guess it's the steel, into the aluminum. But these things are known to just take, to just be impossible to get out. So this hub buster is designed to help in getting these wheel bearings out, especially ones that are stuck. It's pretty simple. You bolt a long rod to the wheel hub, and you can beat the bejesus out of it until it wants to come out. Very helpful, and you don't really need to worry about damaging anything because it's bolting to the hub that you're going to end up replacing anyway. So we got it set up. We're just going to tighten it to the hub, and then we're going to be ready. Kind of excited. Yeah, those are probably nice to have.
That's the one I found on Woodland Avenue.
Hey. It's out.
What did you do? You just pushed down?
I just grabbed it.
You didn't hit it, right?
What the freak? I didn't even hit it with the hammer. It came right out. Whoa. So, I don't know why this works so easily. This is my dad's car. It's well kept. It's never driven in the salt and the snow. Even the backing plate came off without a problem. That's supposed to be a problem all on its own. I'm not going to question it, though. New Timken wheel bearing next to the old. Looks the same. Let's go ahead and put it in.
You got it all cleaned up? That's not as important. We got to put a little grease on that, but get the inside.
All right, new wheel bearing assembly is bolted in and torqued to spec. Now it's time to get to the other side.
We're not getting as lucky this time.
Passenger side, which was the bad side, didn't want to come out as easily. We did have to get the hammer for this one.
You want to hit it with the hammer? I saw some smoke.
I think something happened. Leave it up on the top.
There you go. That's it. It is out.
On the passenger side, I was able to leave the e-brake, drum brake assembly attached to the backing plate and just tapped out the hub with a hammer. And that's that. Put it all back together, torque to spec, threw the wheels back on, and the humming noise is gone. Hey, thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.